So lately, I've been getting a lot of messages and comments about doing a method that works even for absolute beginners. So I have decided to fire up one of my old ClickBank accounts that I haven't used in a while, and exactly 7 days ago I started doing the very basic ABCs of affiliate marketing. I imagine myself in a position that I know literally nothing about affiliate marketing and what I would do to actually make some money. First thing I naturally did was go to YouTube and look for how to make money with affiliate marketing for complete beginners. And I've tried some of the very basic methods, the literal ABCs of affiliate marketing, and as you can see right here, in just 7 days I was able to make these amounts of money. Just the first day I made over $200 with one of the very basic methods that I'm going to show you in today's video. And as you can see right here, I made some small amounts of money here and there, and if you check this out right here, it made a nice weekly payout of $444.33. And so in today's video I'm going to show you the exact same thing that I did, even if you are a complete beginner who's sitting behind a computer for the first time. After watching this video till the end, you will have a complete detailed guide how to do affiliate marketing with literally zero knowledge, zero experience. And the best part about this is you have to invest literally $0 to make this work. And now if you are an experienced moneymaker, you made hundreds or even thousands of dollars online already, you may want to stay away from this method because this is designed for absolute beginners who never made a single cent online and they are looking for ways to start with literally from scratch. So for the best luck and best results doing this method, make sure to smash that like button under this video, and also to never miss out on any of my future uploads, just make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, I can notify you immediately and you get to watch it right away. And now just let's get right into it. So if you are a complete beginner and you want to start making some money on the internet too, what you want to do is just go to Google and look for exactly this: best affiliate marketplaces. Now hit search, and what you are going to find is a bunch of websites recommending a bunch of affiliate marketplaces. So for example, if you're going to check out this one right here, and you're going to find this list of 11 best affiliate platforms in 2023. Now if you're going to scroll all the way down, you can see these various different marketplaces. For example, Share a Sale, Awin, PartnerStack is one of the good ones. Also Amazon Associates is one of the platforms that you can make a lot of money on. And if you want to check out a complete guide how to make money with Amazon Associates, try checking out this video right here somewhere in this bubble. But I recommend to do that if you are a more experienced person. So if you are completely new to affiliate marketing or making money online, just stick to this video and let's check out a bunch of more platforms. So for example, you've got Rakuten Marketing, which is also one of the good platforms. But if you are a very complete beginner, I would recommend using ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the oldest and one of the easiest to navigate platforms out there. So if you want to visit ClickBank, just scroll all the way down here and click on Visit ClickBank, or just go to Google and type in clickbank.com and you will get to this site right here. This is a very easy to navigate affiliate platform that's called clickbank.com. So if you are a brand new affiliate marketing beginner, what you want to do is just simply click on Start here, and you may want to select this option right here. I am new to all of this and I'm not sure where to start. Just simply click on that and then just click on OK, let's go. Now choose the reason why you are joining ClickBank. In my opinion, it will be probably this one right here, to quit my day job and be my own boss. And if you are a complete beginner, you may want to select no, I do not have a consistent traffic source or existing audience. But if you're going to check out a couple more of my videos in this list right here, you may want to select yes, I have consistent traffic source, because I will explain to you in detail how to get steady traffic. So choose one of these. For example, I'm going with this one because I do personally. And how do I plan on generating traffic? I'm going to select email just for this case. And this one you can right away click on none and skip, because I'm going to show you exactly what to do on ClickBank. And now you need to select the email address that you want to use to register your account on ClickBank. Now I'm not going to follow through this step because I already have a ClickBank account and I don't want to create yet another one. But you just choose your email that you want to use for your ClickBank nickname and then just click on submit, and your account is going to get created. And then what you want to do is just simply click on login right here. And then once you log into your account, what you want to do is scroll all the way up here and click on marketplace right here. And you get to this section where you can choose the type of niche that you want to promote. Niche is basically a group of products or services that appeal to a certain group of people. So for example, what you've got here is health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality, new age, alternate beliefs, self-help, home and garden, cooking, food and wine, and green products, and business and investing. One of the reasons why ClickBank is the best platform for beginners, because it's offering a variety of niches, so you can try promoting different products without having to concentrate on a single type. Now if you choose a type of product that you want to promote, so for example I'm going with health and fitness for this, you will get this list of products right here that you can apply for promotion. If you're going to check this out, a typical ClickBank offer is looking something like this. You've got the name of the product right here, you've got some description underneath it, and then you can see all these stats and numbers right here. They may sound a little bit scary, but basically what this means, gravity score basically means the number of unique affiliates generating sales. So what this means, the higher the gravity score, the better the product is selling. So for example, this product is over 2200 gravity. That means it's selling extremely well. If you're going to scroll a little bit down, you can see gravity scores around 600, 500, 200, 300, 300, all the way down to zero. All the way down to zero. You generally may not want to promote products that have less than 50 gravity. Those are very hard to sell, but the higher the gravity score, the easier time you will have promoting certain product. Right here you can see an average dollars per conversion. This is basically how much you're going to get paid if you promote this product successfully and somebody makes a purchase. For example, in this product it's $139.76. If you're going to check out other products, they may pay a little bit less. For example, if I'm going to rank the results into average conversion low to high, you can see at the lower end of the spectrum you will get products with gravity score around 3 or even less than 1 that are paying around $5, $5, $6, $6. So you see on ClickBank you can find a variety of products with different payout rates, different gravity scores, and basically what you want to do is just choose a product that has high enough gravity score for you to promote successfully and the payout is pretty much worth it. You don't want to be promoting something that's selling very hard and get $2 or $4 for it, okay? You want to select a product you're actually going to get a decent payout for at least $50 or $100. If I'm going to show you the highest paying programs, you can see some of them are paying over $500, but again, as you can see right here, it has a gravity score of 0.08, so you will have very hard time promoting and making sales with this product. So I would stay away from it even if it offers a nice payout. So for that reason, I will highly recommend searching by rank, high to low, and these are the best selling products that you can find in this niche on ClickBank. Then what you can notice right here, you've got affiliate page and seller contact. If you're going to click on affiliate page, you will be taken to the page of the product that you may need to promote this product successfully. So for example, you can see right here you've got some guide how to actually promote this. You can generate your affiliate link right here on this site without having to use ClickBank. And for those of you who do not know, affiliate link is a unique link. I'm going to show you how to generate one in a moment. Affiliate link is a unique link generated only for you. So if you're going to promote this product using this link and somebody makes a purchase because they came to the sales page through your affiliate link, ClickBank will know the money are supposed to go to your account instead of somebody else's. So if you have chosen a product that you want to promote, what you want to do is just simply click on promote button right here. You need to write here your ClickBank account nickname. To get your ClickBank account nickname, if you don't know it, what you want to do is just go to your ClickBank dashboard, and what you want to do is go to the sections where it says accounts. You click on accounts and you will be displayed this table and you can see your ClickBank nickname right here. Just go ahead and copy that, write in my ClickBank nickname and click on create a hop link, and your affiliate link will get created right here, and it's going to look something like this. It's just a bunch of numbers and letters with clickbank.net, but you don't have to worry because this is unique for you. If you're going to generate this on your account and you're going to promote this product using this link, every time somebody makes a purchase of this product, you're going to get paid money. Now, how to actually promote this? You need the right type of audience that's going to look for this product. So I'm just going to copy this link real quick, paste it into a notepad, something like this, so I can access it later and I don't have to generate a new one. Then if you're going to check out this product called Alpilin, just simply click on the name and you will be taken to the sales page. This is the page somebody will see if they're going to click on the link that you have created. A basic sales page. It's a generous description of the product with the intent of convincing the potential customer to make a sale. So you can see right away these are some type of pills for healthy weight loss, and if they scroll all the way down here and make a purchase through one of these buttons, you can get paid money without having to generate any product of your own. So what you want to do to successfully promote this, so for example, this is a weight loss niche. This is in the weight loss niche because it's supposed to help people lose weight. So if you got your affiliate link for this product, all you need to do is just get this link to as many people as possible that are looking to lose weight. Now there are hundreds, even thousands of ways how to do that, but today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways that you can do to promote this link and get the right type of visitors. So to do that, just simply go to Google and look for exactly this, Tumblr.com. Tumblr is one of the best ways how you can promote your affiliate links easily for free and literally just by pressing a couple of buttons. Simply just go to Tumblr, and it's possible that you may have an account on Tumblr already, but if you do not, just simply go to this sign up button right here, click on sign up, and then choose if you want to sign up using Google, Apple, or email. I'm going to click on Google, then I'm going to choose what my blog name will be. So I'm going to be something like this, and then make sure to fill in your age too. I'm not going to do that on video, but after you fill in your age, just simply click on next, and now you can choose from a huge variety of topics that interest you. Now, for example, if you are going to be promoting, if you're setting up a brand new account, you're going to be promoting weight loss product. What you want to choose for is something that has to do with weight loss. So just go to the search bar at the top and write in there weight loss. Then just go ahead and type in fitness, then just go ahead and type in sports or something that has to do with weight loss and exercise, such as sports, exercise, and let's just find one more. Outdoor activities, for example, that should do very well. Then just click on next right here. And then just simply choose like 3 pages from these which should be related to your topic. So for example, gymnastics, I don't know what this is. And I'm also going to scroll to the right using this button to find something more. For example, Alpha Dog Fitness, that should be okay. Then click on next. And now you get to your home feed. Now if you're going to go to search bar and look for weight loss, you can see you can share anything from simple text notes all the way to the video one. Now, the more eye-catching the post is going to be, the more people are going to get to your affiliate link. So for that reason, I would highly recommend starting with video posts. Now, you probably don't have any videos that are promoting the product that you have chosen. I'm just going to go back to ClickBank and click on affiliate page to see if I have any videos for promotion available. Most of the times there will be not any. Some products do have videos for promotional purposes, but this one does not. But that doesn't matter because there's very simple fix for that. Just simply go to YouTube, and what you want to search for is weight loss. Search for weight loss, and what you want to do is go to filters right here and click on this Creative Commons. If you're going to filter your videos by this, you will find all these videos that are free to share. Most of YouTube videos are not free to share, and it's illegal to do that. But if you're going to filter by Creative Commons, you will find a bunch of videos that you can easily share anywhere on the internet. So for example, if you're going to choose a video that you want to use to promote, you want to look for something that is very graphic. For example, this first video right here has a very nice demonstration. It's looking almost like a cartoon. So I'm just going to open it up, then just copy the link to this video real quick. Then go back to Google and look for YouTube downloader. Hit enter, and you want to go to any of these YouTube downloaders. I highly recommend using one of these two because I've got them tried out. I know what you can expect of them. So for example, if I'm going to go to y2mate.is, I'm just going to simply paste the link right here. It's going to take a couple of seconds to load up. Then I'm going to click on convert and download it to my computer. Then just go back to Tumblr, click on this pencil icon right here and select the type of post that you want to create. So for this post, I'm going with video. I'm just going to click on this video upload right here, upload the video to Tumblr, and what you want to do then is just write a short description with a call to action. Call to action basically means a simple text or button or something that's going to entice people to click your link or visit the page that you want them to visit, and it's going to look something like this. Want to see the most effective way to lose weight? Try this. Then I'm going to highlight this section where it says try this, and I'm going to click on this link button right here. Just simply click on these links, and here you want to paste this affiliate link that you have generated on ClickBank. Just simply copy it, paste it into this field, and click on done, and this way this becomes a clickable button. Once you're going to share this post, people can click on this button, they will be taken to the sales page through your affiliate link, and if they make a purchase, you're going to make money. Now what you need to do for this post to reach the highest amount of people, you need to put some hashtags into this field right here, just as you would on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, or most of social media platforms out there. And to get the best possible hashtags to be shared on Tumblr, you just simply want to go back to Tumblr, look for weight loss, and find a post that has a lot of these notes. For example, you can see over 5,000 people have interacted with this post right here. So that means that these hashtags are doing something right. So just simply go ahead and copy these hashtags, go back to Notepad, paste them right there, and you need to put spaces in between these for it to work. So before every hashtag, just simply add space, something like this. Once you do that, just simply copy these hashtags, go to your post, paste them into the tags section, and that's pretty much it. Now you need to do is just click on post now, and as you can see right here, it's still processing the video because it's too long. This is going to take a couple of seconds or maybe a couple of minutes at least, depends on the length of the video. But once you post a post like this to Tumblr, your affiliate link is out there. Now people can see this post, they're going to start visiting the sales page, and every time somebody makes a purchase, you're going to get paid money. Now to actually increase your chances of getting a sale, what you want to do is go ahead and create a bunch of these posts. Just different download videos, use different hashtags from different posts, but use the same affiliate link that you got on ClickBank. So that's the reason why I highly recommend you save it into Notepad or somewhere so you can access it, copy it into different posts, and share as many posts as you possibly can so you get the highest chance of making money with this. And this is pretty much the very basic of affiliate marketing, guys. Now if you're looking to try this out, if you are a complete beginner, just go ahead, try it out there. You can use even different social media. I just showed you how to do this for Tumblr, but you can do this for Instagram, for TikTok, for Pinterest, for Facebook, for Reddit, basically for any social media out there. And if you want to see more detailed explanation how to use different social media, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a good luck making your first money with this affiliate marketing strategy, and I wish you have a fantastic day.